Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello everybody, I am Mr. Tariq and I will help you to overview your lesson today about find the value of the limit algebraically by using factorize method. We studied before the meaning of limit and we review the factorize, the ways of factorize. Now we will use the factorize to solve the following problems. Like for example, limit x tends to 2x power 2 plus 3x minus 10 over x power 2 minus 4. We will substitution first by substitution about x equal to, so f of 2 equal 2 power 2 plus 3 times 2 minus 10 over 2 power 2 minus 4. By calculation, the numerator equals 0 and the denominator equals 0. So f of 2 equals 0 over 0, unsatisfied quantity. So we want to cancel the 0 factor to solve the problem. To cancel the 0 factor, I will factorize the numerator and the denominator. So limit x tends to 2, x power 2 plus 3x minus 10, it will be x minus 2 times x plus 5, x power 2 minus 4, difference between two square, it will be x minus 2 times x plus 2. 0 factor x minus 2, I will cancel the 0 factor x minus 2 from both sides, numerator and denominator. So the limit x tends to 2 x plus 5 over x plus 2 equal 7, 2 plus 5 over 2 plus 2, it will be 7 over 4. The second example, limit x tends to 4 over 5, 25x power 2 minus 16 over 5x minus 4. The first step, I will substitution about x. So the value of x will be 4 over 5. So if 4 over 5 I will use the sequence. So f equal f of 4 over 5, it will be 25 times 4 over 5 power 2 minus 16 over 5 times 4 over 5 minus 4. It will be the numerator equals 0 and the denominator equals 0, unsatisfied quantity. So I will factorize the numerator and the denominator. So limit x tends to 4 over 5. 25x power 2 minus 16, I can make it 25x power 2, it will be 5x times 5x, difference between two square, 5x, negative 16, it will be negative 4 and positive 4, and the denominator 5x minus 4, I will cancel the numerator and the denominator. So limit x tends to 4 over 5, 5x plus 4 over 1, so I will cancel the 1. So by substitution about x 4 over 5, it will be 5 times 4 over 5 plus 4, it will be 8. Let we move to the third one. Limit x tends to 0, x power 2 minus 3x over x by substitution about x equals 0. So f of 0 equal 0 power 2 minus 3 times 0 over 0. It will be 0 over 0 unspecified quantity. So I will factorize the numerator. So limit x goes to 0. I can take x a common factor. It will be x multiply x minus 3 over x. I cancel x by x. It will be limit x tends to 0 x minus 3 by substitution about x equals 0. So 0 minus 3, it will be negative 3. So the value of the limit equal negative 3. The next one, x power 3 plus 27, limit x tends to negative 3, x power 3 plus 27 over x power 2 plus x minus 6. By substitution about x equal negative 3, it will be negative 3 power 3 plus 27 over negative 3 power 2 plus negative 3 minus 6. It will be 0 over 0 unspecified quantity. So I will factorize the numerator and the denominator. So x tends to negative 3. Factorize the numerator, sum of two cubes, open two bracket, the small bracket x plus 3, and the next one equal x power 2 minus 3x plus 9 over x power 2 plus x minus 6. I will factorize it, x power 2 x times x, negative 6, it will be positive 3 minus 2 by cancel the 0 factor x plus 3. So limit x tends to negative 3, x power 2 minus 3x plus 9 over x minus 2 by substitution about x equal negative 3. So negative 3 power 2 minus negative 3 times negative 3 plus 9, minus 3 times negative 3. Minus 3 times negative 3 plus 9 over 3 minus 2. The value of the limit 9 plus 9 plus 9 equal 27 over 1 equal 27. The negative 3 minus 2 equal negative 5. So the value of the limit equal 27 over negative 5. The next one, is limit x tends to 1, x power 2 minus 1 all power 2 over x minus 1 by substitution about x equal 1. So f of 1 equal f of 1 equal 1 power 2 minus 1 all power 2 over 1 minus 1 equal 0 over 0 unspecified quantity. So we will factorize the numerator, limit x tends to 1, x power 2 minus 1, it will be x minus 1 multiply x plus 1 all power 2, it will be x minus 1 power 2 x plus 1 power 2 over x minus 1 by cancel the 0 factor. So x minus 1, it will be cancel 1 of x minus 1. So the limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 time x plus 1 whole power 2 over 1 will be not written. So by substitution about x equal 1, so 1 minus 1 time 1 plus 1 power 2, it will be 0. The next one,